Eva, and today I'm going to be making a very requested video. I'm going to be making carrot loaf. So with this carrot loaf, I have a very special guest coming to join again. She's been on this channel once before. I welcome Etta,
Hello.
my little sister. So let's get into the baking. The ingredients you'll need are 140 milliliters of vegetable oil,
2 eggs,
300 grams of finely grated carrots,
200 grams of light brown sugar,
100 grams of raisins or sultanas,
half a teaspoon of nutmeg,
half a teaspoon of bicarbonate soda,
half a teaspoon of mixed spice,
1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon,
and 180 grams of self-raising flour.
and also a pinch of salt. Let's get into the baking.
So the first thing you're going to do is crack 2 eggs in a large bowl.
Do you want to do one?
No, I'm fine. So the next thing you're going to do is whisk both of the eggs together.
You want to do that?
Yeah.
Gonna
So next we're going to add in
the oil,
the raisins,
the brown sugar,
and the carrots.
well,
Oh wow, Lisa. Oh wow.
there we go.
Huh. So now we're just going to mix it.
And we're going to put this on a minimum speed to start with.
So now we're going to sieve the remaining ingredients into the bowl.
So gonna
Wait, I need to tap it.
this is including the flour, the bicarbonate soda, the cinnamon, nutmeg, and don't forget the mixed spices. And then just tap it. Well done. This is just to make sure you've got no more lumps, because you don't really want a lumpy mixture. That's just, no.
Not
No
bad.
one wants that. There you go.
So now we're going to mix it onto a medium to low speed. So we've just lined a loaf tin.
Yep. And we're just going to put all this cake mixture, but it's loaves, still, into here. So, yeah.
So we've just put the mixture in, and now we've already preheated the oven. So we're going to put this in.
For 1 hour and 15 minutes. So it's come out of the oven and been chilling on the side, and as you can see it's got a nice brown and golden colour. Yeah.